Hi, I'm Lisa McCrossan with Ivester Jackson, Christie's International Real Estate. We're here at my newest listing at 3367 Sherman Drive in Lancaster, South Carolina. This is probably one of the prettiest houses I have seen in recent times. And one of the great things about this particular spot in this neighborhood in River Chase Estates is that this house backs up to private woods. So you are really secluded and it feels like your own private oasis. Let's come take a look. Not only is this a beautiful kitchen with a mercury glass backsplash, it's quite functional. There are spice racks on either side of your stove, and the microwave is tucked here underneath so that you have more counter space in the kitchen. And then this oversized quartz kitchen island is open to your living room and is a great place to entertain. The living room is really the heart of this home with its coffered ceilings, the floating bookshelves on either side of the fireplace, and it opens up to the screened and covered porch, your kitchen, and the dining nook, and it has a spectacular view of the private woods behind it. One of the really nice features about this house is the sliding accordion doors that open up from the beautiful living room to the covered porch. This house is also a smart home. You can open and close your shades with just the push of a button, but it's also programmed so that the shades go down at dusk time, giving you plenty of privacy at night. This beautiful home could be yours for just slightly over $2 million. There are so many more features I would love to share with you. So if you would like to see this house, I would love to show it. Please contact me for your exclusive showing.